One study compared 3 towns in Italy. In one town, a quarter of all people employed were worker cooperative members. In the second town, there were about half that rate. And in the third town, there were no cooperatives. The most striking finding was that in the town with many cooperatives, people lived longer. The cardiovascular mortality rate was lower. There were fewer heart attacks, fewer strokes, that is, less stress. In addition, a survey of random samples of adults in the towns showed that the town with the cooperatives had many healthy features. This graph compares the survey results from the town with the most cooperatives and the town with none. When the bar is above the line, the town with cooperatives was better. According to the survey, people felt that the gap between rich and poor was lower, local authorities were more helpful, crime was under control, there was less domestic violence, there was less truancy, and more lifelong learning. People had wider, supportive social networks. In short, the people in the cooperative town were better socially connected and less stressed. The more equal and involved cooperative community gave people longer, happier lives. Elsewhere, similar results have been found. In Canada, for example, the Algoma Steelworks in Ontario moved into employee ownership, and this created a democratic spillover effect that directly benefited the wider community and not just those working in the steel mill, as employee owners became increasingly involved in starting up numbers of local community clubs. They also found an increase in family relationship skills, including how to listen, how to empathise, and to manage anger. So we have seen that democratic businesses both perform better, but also importantly have very positive effects for the people involved and for their communities. Really, the evidence suggests that they are better for us.